And this one conversation with my mother completely changed my life. Hello, everyone. I hope you all are doing good. So, my today's video is about giving the best gift to your child. We all want the best for our children, be it the clothes, be it schooling, education, be it toys. We all want to do the best things for our children. But do you know what's the best gift for our children? A positive mindset. So, why is it so important? And how do they develop a positive mindset? And why is it important for them? It's a big deal. Nobody will get to know if they are feeling negative. Everybody feels a little bit negative. There is negativity all around us. It's okay if sometimes we feel negative. But let me tell you one story from my childhood. I was a little girl and I greeted somebody and they didn't notice it. I told this to my mother and I said, maybe they don't like me. And I felt sad about it that they didn't greet me back. And you know what my mother told me about this? She said that they didn't notice you maybe because they were lost in their thoughts. Maybe because there was some problem going on in their life. And she told me, if you're not able to understand someone's behavior, don't think negative about them. Just think something must be going on in their life. Don't misunderstand people. And if you don't misunderstand people, you will be happier. We feel sad not because of the other person. We feel sad because of our own judgment about them. I was very small that time, and when she told this to me, I was very happy to know. But I didn't know that it was such a big thing, and this one thing that my mother taught me will completely change my life. I never felt negative about anybody. I never tried to judge anyone. And I never noticed it also. What's the big deal about it? It's okay. That's what my mother told me, and that's what I'm doing. And with time, I realized I was practicing being positive. I want to share another incident from my life when I started developing a negative mindset. When I left home for higher education, I made a lot of friends. And I used to be very positive in all the situations. I never used to think bad about anyone. And then one of my friends said, this person has hurt you. This person is being rude with you. You should also retaliate. You should also be sarcastic with them. I said, no, not even in my thoughts. I cannot think bad about anyone. And she told me, no, nobody will get to know. If you curse her in your mind, nobody will get to know. And I was like, okay, do people really do this? And obviously, I didn't curse her. I didn't curse anybody, but I started to feel negative. I started to feel, okay, so what if I feel a little negative? And slowly, I started slipping into this world of negativity. I started to feel negative. So all the things that my mother taught me slowly started to fade away. I made friends who told me that it's okay to feel negative. We all are humans. And I said, exactly, absolutely. If we feel negative, if we feel sad, it's completely okay. There's no problem in feeling negative all the time because that's how I'm feeling. I started to justify it that yes, I have full right to be negative. I have full right to be sad. And then I started to slip into this whole whirlpool of negativity. And gradually, I became very, very negative person. I became very sad. I started to fall sick. And then when I met my mother and she got to know that I have become a negative person, I complained. She asked me, you were never like this. What happened to you? And I started complaining about all the things in my life. And she made it a point, instead of judging me, instead of scolding me, Instead of blaming me, she helped me again develop a positive mindset. She helped me develop a positive mindset. So when I lost that positive mindset, my life completely changed. I started to feel sick. And that time my mother helped me. She again, every day, she started to say, think positive, see the positive side of life. And when I started to think positive with my mother's help and guidance, again my life changed. And this time it changed completely. Because I had experienced how life becomes when you feel negative, I knew that that was the very dark side of life. When you feel negative, you continue to feel negative. I'm telling both the stories from my childhood because one story taught me how to be positive. All my life I was positive. And suddenly, because of my friend circle, I started to feel yes, there's no problem in feeling negative. And when I saw what negative thoughts were doing to my body, I realized the importance of having a positive mindset. And with my mother's help, I again become a positive person. And now I don't let even an iota of negative thought come in my mind. Even if a small negative thought comes in my mind about anything in this world, I immediately apologize to myself and I immediately think of something positive related to that incident. So if you're feeling negative, surround yourself with people who are very positive because positivity is the biggest gift. Once you feel positive, your life will begin to change. My life completely changed once I became a positive person. I became very creative. My health started to improve. I was happy. And I started to like everyone in my life. I had no complaint from anyone in my life. And today I feel grateful to have a mother like her, that she was able to teach me the biggest lesson of life, which is being positive. That's why I'm sharing this story with you, with this message that the biggest gift that you can give to your child is positivity. Because with a positive mindset, they will be happy, they will grow into amazing adults, they'll be creative, they'll be able to do everything in their life because their health will be good. So never feel negative in front of children. Help them become positive. And if you are a parent and you yourself are very, very negative, please don't worry. Work on yourself. Try to think positive. Try to do certain activities that make you feel positive. So don't lose hope. Become positive for the sake of your child's future. When you become positive, your children will become positive and they'll grow up to become positive thinkers. Imagine how decluttered their mind will be of all the noises around them, trying to judge others, trying to feel that others are judging us. And with this decluttered, quiet mind, how much they're able to achieve in their lives, how amazing their understanding level will become. Don't you think they'll be able to listen to their own selves when their minds are decluttered? So, my activity for you today is something that you should give to your child. Don't be negative. Don't feel arrogant in front of your children. Try to be humble because no matter what you teach your children, they will learn what you are doing.